Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a new page on Microsoft Word. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So adding a page on Microsoft Word, actually Microsoft Word, this new layout that they did is pretty annoying. So it's not as direct or as easy where you can actually use it, but I'm going to tell you how. So first of all, you're going to launch up Microsoft, as we know from Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office. Now, once you're in Microsoft Office, you're going to go onto whatever document you want to insert in a page. Let's say document 1. Now, from document 1, you're going to click on edit. From edit, you're going to click on this so we can make sure it is on the page layout, not the mobile view, okay? Now, once you're in, you're going to click on this dash or this arrow up button from the bottom right corner, and you're going to find something called home over here. Once you click on it, you're going to click on insert, and from insert, you're going to click on a blank page. So now I have a blank page inserted right now. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.